Welcome back, you gorgeous weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. So we're going to play with transfer foils today. I haven't done this in so long, and honestly, I was inspired by my daughter. She did a press-on set for back to school, and she used transfer foils. And I'm like, I haven't done that in so long, so we're going to do it today. I'm going to use dip powder as my background, if you will. You can use anything you want. You can do it on your natural nails. You can do this over gel polish, over polygel, acrylic, builder gel, whatever your overlay of choice is. Press-ons, extensions, whatever. You can do this over that. So I'm going to just start with my usual dip application, but we're going to make this super quick. I'm only going to show you one nail. I'm using Little Black Dress from Sassy Mouth Dip Powder. Absolutely obsessed with this black. I did a YouTube short using this black a little bit ago. I'll leave it up in the eye in case you want to check it out. Can I link shorts? I don't even know. Anyways, I've had a lot of questions also about the hand rest and the little container that I pour over into. Those are from Chaos Concepts. It's a brand new color called Supernova that she created for me. Oh my goodness, they're so amazing. I have been really leaning towards these products in all my recent uploads for no reason other than I genuinely love them. So if you're in the market for some nail tools / accessories, I'll leave everything linked down below. That's the hand rest and the Gemerald, the Chaos Gemerald. Love them so much. 10 out of 10. We'll continue using them for like the rest of eternity. Anyways, I did one full dip on all of my nails. I'm going in for dip number 2, and then I'm going to do a clear cap, activate. Then we're getting right into how to use these transfer foils, and oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. I have been really transitioning into fall colors. I know it's still technically summer. I know there are a lot of you that don't want to get rid of summer just yet, but I'm in Florida. Okay, my summer started like 5 months ago. 6 months ago even. It's hot, y'all. I am ready for fall. I'm ready for socks and Crocs. I'm ready for pumpkin spice everything. I'm ready for it. I want to be cold and cozy and bundled up, and I want to sit outside and make s'mores by my fire pit, which, I mean, I can do anytime, but you know how hot a fire is outside in Florida in the summer? Like, sweating my ass off outside. Anyways, you guys will have to let me know if you're gravitating more towards like the dark fall moody colors yet, or if you're still hanging on to the last little sliver of summer left. Let me know down below what your current mood is when it comes to seasonal colors and stuff. So I finished up the dip with Little Black Dress. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That black is amazing. Literally no staining. I know I said it before. I'll say it again. I'm obsessed with that black. I'm going to do a clear cap, which I know is kind of sort of optional. If you don't want to do it, you really don't have to. I like to do it. It adds an extra layer of strength to my nail, and it protects the color when you're filing and buffing over top. So, I mean, YOLO. If you don't want to use clear, don't use clear. But if you're having chipping, cracking, breaking issues, consider using clear. Depends on your nails, of course. Depends on your nails, depends on your body chemistry, depends on the length, the shape, all the things. But clear really can make a difference in the longevity of your dip manicure. So I'm going to go ahead, finish my clear cap. I am cleaning around my cuticles with an orange wood stick after every single dip. This really does help get a nice clean cuticle line. And then I'm going to activate. I'm not going to show you filing and buffing in this video because I really wanted to just get through this stuff and get to the good fun stuff, the nail art, the non-nail art if you want. This is another one of those nail art hacks. Like, if you don't do nail art, if you can't do nail art, if you're just not artistically inclined, or if you don't want to do nail art on your dominant hand, I get it. Trust me, I am useless with my non-dominant hand. This is for you. So I went ahead and I did all the rest of the nails. I got everything filed, shaped, buffed the way I like it. I'm going to clean off any dust from filing with a little bit of alcohol in my scrubby nail brush, but if you would rather get up and wash your hands, you totally can. Now let's get into the nail art. I'm using this foil art gel glue from Macart. I'm going to cut off a little piece of my foil, get that ready to go. I want everything kind of ready to go as I'm ready to use it. I'm going to apply the foil gel glue kind of the same way I would apply a gel top coat. I don't want it super duper thin, but I don't want it like thick and runny. So kind of like a medium-ish coat, like you were doing a polished top coat. I'm going to apply that to the entire nail, but Everywhere you apply this foil glue gel stuff, the foils will stick to. So you want to be mindful of like your cuticle area and your sidewalls. Make sure you're covering the entire nail, but you're not touching any skin. Cure it for a full minute. 1 full minute, cure it. Then you're going to want to let it cool for about 20 to 30 seconds. I'm going to use this decal sheet and just fan it a little bit. 20 to 30 seconds. I feel like this is imperative and kind of key. Let it cool. Once it cools down, plop down your decal, but plop it down exactly where you want it because it will stick. I'm going to rub the crap out of this. I'm using my nail. I'm really kind of burnishing that it's not a decal, Mar. Burnishing that foil into that foil gel. And this takes a minute. You got to have a little bit of patience. You got to do a little bit of work. But this is so satisfying. Y'all just wait. So I'm going to continue rubbing this in. I really want to focus this mostly around the perimeter of the nail. I want to make sure I'm getting right into that cuticle area, right into those grooves by my sidewalls. I want to make sure the free edge is nice and burnished in. And then I'm going to rub across the entire surface of that foil. And then I'm going to ever so gently start peeling it off. Now you don't want to go ripping this off like a Band-Aid, okay? You want to gently peel it off, and here is what it looks like. I am literally obsessed. So now what do we do once we have the foils on? You want to encapsulate it so it doesn't peel off or chip off. I'm going to do that with the Model 1's gel base and gel top. So I'm going to do gel base coat first, cook that for 30 seconds. Then I'll go in with my gel top coat, cook it for a full minute, and then we're going to be done. I'm going to do this on all of the nails because I'm literally that obsessed with these foils. It's so perfect for summer into fall, in my humble opinion, I think. I'm going to let you watch one other nail without me yapping. And then I'll come back and show you the whole hand and we'll be done. So I went ahead and I finished the entire hand. I cannot. These are so freaking cute. I can't stand it. I did get up and wash my hands because you always want to do that after applying any kind of gel product. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found something helpful. I hope educational, something. Thank you so much for spending some of your day with me today. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.